Thyrea is the doorway. 577 square kilometers of imposing mountains, 86% covered by black pine forest, full of fruit, nut trees, and animal life. Its grasslands touch the Argolic Gulf, full of marine life. Vineyards, grazing sheep and goats, wild herbs, an army of pollinating bees, 250,000 olive trees, some 2,000 years old, yet still resiliently producing olives. Generations defined wealth by ownership of these producing resources. All are integral part of the cultural mosaic of the 24 villages of Mount Parnassus with a distinct gastronomic identity. This beauty is juxtaposed with life-threatening droughts and abandonment. Absence of water management leads to loss of water. Farming income is not linked to production, but to EU subsidies. Lack of unified national agricultural policy, lack of field agro-labor, skyrocketing modern production costs, final product pricing, favoring middlemen, they all lead to frustration and protests. Modern practices have led to soil degradation. Abandoned villages full of aging elders are the demographic crisis of a generation that lost hope. Thyrea Living Lab partnership works hard to make regenerative progress in our region. Meraki People, Agricultural Cooperative of Doliana, Academy of Entrepreneurship, A Forest for Future, National Capodistrian University of Athens, New Agriculture, New Generation, we are all working together to create awareness that feeding living microorganisms inside degraded soils can make soils more productive. They organize hands-on trainings for the local farmers and support them to adopt new regenerative practices, all to create incomes from new ventures. Co-designing workshops, becoming familiar with bio-based materials, using olive tree cuttings to grow mushrooms, bottling and certifying our ancient olive oil, ensuring healthy and affordable food supply via digital platform, and developing modern cooperatives are all the GOV4ALL processes. Providing technical support, applying ancient wisdom to new methods, enhancing soil health in our land is how we do it. Of course, it all depends on the passion, dexterity, focus, and commitment of all stakeholders engaged. I am Christiana Gardichioti, Ambassador of Thyrea Living Lab, and invite you to join us in our dynamic Rural Innovation Hub.